2NURFM, a broadcast service of the University of Newcastle.
2NURFM 103.7, he is back every second Monday. He usually brings lunch. Today, our chef Gavin Foreman has bought, well, it looks like it could, at second glance, it could be a pile of weeds, but no, it is a bunch of lovely herbs.
A pile of weeds. How
bunch of herbs.
Educated are you? We're about to find out.
Our chef Gavin Foreman, good morning. Now, why have you brought in all of these lovely herbs for us to have a look at?
First of all, they're all from my garden.
Okay.
So I haven't bought any of them.
So they are fresh as they come.
Yep.
Fresh as a daisy.
Absolutely. But it also gives you an idea of how much a herb can change the taste and flavour of any food. So if you say bruschetta, so you use tomato and onion, pretty boring. Add a bit of basil.
Not so boring.
Not so boring. So it's how herbs help lift, not with just seasoning as well. So if you want to taste one, or if you want to put it down, so I can have a look too, so we'll see where you're pointing at.
There we go.
What can you recognise?
Bit of parsley.
Curly leaf
looks pretty
parsley. I didn't use the flat leaf, so I gave you that one.
Easy.
Easy. Okay.
This one looks interesting. I'm going to just go right to...
Yeah.
What is this chili?
That's just a normal little bird's eye chili. We've done the chili thing before. I'm throwing you a few bones here.
Okay. Now, what about this one? This looks like just a piece of
Looks
grass.
like a blade of grass.
Yeah.
Yeah, have a bite. Tell me what you
Okay.
think.
Let's have a look. This is obviously not a blade of grass.
This is not a blade of grass. It'd be funny if it was, though, wouldn't it? It's actually garlic chive. So you should get a little oniony type flavour.
hello.
And yeah.
I like this.
You like that one?
I'm down with this.
That's okay. So you a little bit chop up a little bit of that, add it to your next meal, something different. So tell me you recognise that one.
As he points to the entire plate. This one?
That one.
Rosemary?
Rosemary. At least you'd get that from Remembrance Day, at
Yeah,
least.
I got that one.
Anzac Day.
Am I
No,
eating
you
first?
don't. No, you're not eating that one.
You don't want me to eat that
No,
one?
you know what
Okay.
that one tastes like. What's that one?
This one?
Yep.
No, really no.
Have a smell. It's really quite pungent. I can smell it from here, actually.
Oh, it's got that...
Familiar?
Yeah, I can't pick the smell, but there is a smell.
It goes a lot with pork.
Do you want me to taste this one?
Have a taste and then tell me what you think. If they feel a bit furry. The leaves feel a bit furry.
Do I ever?
What do you think? You still got nothing, do you?
Oh, here comes the taste. Oh, what have you done to me?
Sage.
It's
It's
yeah,
just
you're right.
sage.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll do one more. Well, I'll give you a clue. That one's rocket.
Oh, yeah, that one. Yep.
Yeah.
That's fine. That's cool. We know
One
that.
besides basil. The little leaf one down there,
This one?
that's oregano. So that's along your Italian flavours, all the same. You can eat the whole stalk too if you like. That's
we're
something
living
different.
dangerously today.
We are. We're on the edge. Herbs on the edge. We'll rename the segment "Herbs on the Edge" for the weekend.
Well, how else do you know where the edge is if you don't go there?
That's it. Now this is the really interesting one. Have a smell of that and tell me what it is.
So this one, I'm still getting that stalk down from...
Yeah.
Well, if I just take it out, can I do that?
Yeah, absolutely.
I
Don't eat the whole stalk of that one.
No.
Just break a couple of leaves off.
can't
That one-
get
that
the
one-
smell.
You can't get a smell.
No. Is it my nose? Is something wrong with my nose?
Yeah, well, besides the obvious.
Thank you, mate.
That's all right. Now,
So what am I looking at here?
it's really hard to explain that one unless you taste it.
Okay, just
Don't punt the whole thing in. Take a leaf or two.
Okay. So
Because
not-
it's
not the
quite pungent.
Not the flowery
Not
bit.
the flower. I did bring an edible flower, though.
That's like a mint. That's a minty type of...
Aniseed,
Yeah, definitely.
licorice,
Yeah.
Vietnamese.
Okay. And here's the flower. So what is this one?
It's just
Finally?
a little edible flower.
Okay. That looks like a small edible flower.
It's like,
And
feeding,
that's getting lost in the
Yeah.
the aniseed flavour, but
it's like feeding a little guinea pig here today.
it really is. So I guess, Gav, the most important thing is so you start with a boring, bog standard type of a meal. You pop in some herbs and
Yep.
make it not as boring.
Absolutely, you can chop it up even for decoration. The two ones with the red leaf there, the big one is sorrel, and the little one is of beetroot. So that'll actually taste like beetroot.
That's this one?
Yeah.
Oh.
No.
No, the little tiny one.
Yeah.
Oh, the one that kind of looks like it's been
beetroot leaf.
stained.
Yeah. I had to fight a caterpillar off that this morning. I did not.
It actually doesn't taste like beetroot at all.
It doesn't?
No.
What are you getting? Then again, you couldn't taste.
Maybe because I've had about 5 or 6 of these in
Yeah.
one hit. That might be the problem.
But now you know how pungent they are. You can, in their raw form, rather than that dried stuff you can buy. If you can buy them fresh, chop them up and plant them. Plant them is easy, and they grow. Coriander, though, is difficult
Why so?
because coriander will either die immediately or completely take over.
Right, so
There's no in between with coriander, which it is with people who taste it too. They either hate it or love it.
it literally is feast or famine with that one.
Yep.
All right, Gav, there's plenty to think about there. Again, a good way to freshen up most, if not any meal. As always, thank you for your time. Next week, next fortnight, you got something nice. We did the pie last week.
Oh, no, something from the new menu. New menu starting
new
next
menu?
week. So, yes, you'll be...
Any thoughts? Any?
I'm thinking
Seafood?
seafood because
Don't do
I know, that's what I'm thinking. I might mix it with some cheese or something. I don't know. Something raw. You love raw and you love...
Okay, I'll give you an out here. You ready? I'll plan it for you. I literally cannot do oysters.
Really?
Yep,
Good.
That's-
But Kilpatrick?
can't do it. So that
Can't
could
do
be,
anything.
That could be next fortnight, eh?
All right, we'll see.
Thanks, Gav. We appreciate it. We'll talk to you next time
Not a problem. Thanks, Mark.
right here at 2NURFM 103.7.